Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I got this package in the mail and we're gonna unbox it right here on the channel. Anyways, I think I know what it is, but I'm not too sure. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox. We do the unboxing right now. So hold on. Yeah, we're doing an unboxing right now, so anyway, I got some more unboxings later on. I think this week or next week. Oh yes. Hold on. Got some more stuff coming. So I got a hat. Anyway, I got some more stuff coming. Oh, jeez. Let me see. I might take this off. If I can take it off. Or something. Because I don't really. Let me see if I can adjust. Said it was adjustable. But I don't really see that. Because I got the wrong size. Anyway, see now. It's too. Anyway, it's a little too big, but I'm about to adjust it myself. And let's see what it's like with the glasses. Because I'm about to adjust it myself. Because I want to wear it like this. So, anyway, let's see what it looks like with the rim. Yeah, it's a little big, but I'll adjust it. Anyway, if you like the video, thumbs up, all that good stuff. And we got some more unboxings coming, so peace.